Have you ever wondered why some people are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars online, while others never make their first sale? The truth is, you don't need a huge budget, years of experience, or even a college degree to start making money online in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you legitimate ways to make money online, the mistakes that keep beginners stuck, and how you can choose the best path for your skills. Make sure you stay until the end, because one of these methods could become your first online income stream. Let's get started. The biggest mistake people make is believing every flashy, get-rich-quick video they see online. If someone promises you'll become rich overnight or asks you to pay a huge upfront fee before you can earn anything, that's a major red flag. Legitimate online businesses are built on one thing: providing value. Whether you're offering a service, selling a product, or creating content, people pay because you're solving a problem. That's how real online businesses work. So what are some of the best ways to make money online? One of the easiest ways to start is freelancing. If you can write, edit videos, design graphics, manage social media, provide bookkeeping services, or work as a virtual assistant, there are businesses looking for your skills every single day. Another growing opportunity is selling digital products. Instead of trading your time for money, you create something once and sell it over and over again. Budget planners, bookkeeping spreadsheets, expense trackers, business templates, printable planners, and checklists are some of the best-selling digital products today. Speaking of digital products, if you're looking for professionally designed budget planners, bookkeeping templates, expense trackers, and financial spreadsheets, I've created affordable templates in my Esvea Accounting Etsy shop. Most of them start at just 80 cents, making them an inexpensive way to organize your finances or even get ideas if you're planning to sell digital products yourself. You'll find the link in the description below if you'd like to check them out. Now, another popular option is content creation. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or social media, creators earn through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling their own products. While it takes time to build an audience, the earning potential can become significant if you stay consistent. But here's where most beginners fail. They try everything at once. One week they're freelancing. The next week they're starting dropshipping. Then they're trying affiliate marketing. Then YouTube. Then Etsy. Instead of mastering one skill, they keep chasing the next trend. The people who actually succeed usually focus on one business model, improve their skills, and stay consistent long enough to see results. Another mistake is ignoring marketing. Even the best product won't sell if nobody knows it exists. Learning basic SEO, social media marketing, and content creation can dramatically increase your chances of success. It's also important to track your income, expenses, and profits from day one. Staying organized helps you make smarter financial decisions as your business grows. So how do you choose the best way to make money online? Start by asking yourself a few simple questions. Do you enjoy working directly with clients? Freelancing may be the perfect fit. Do you enjoy designing templates, planners, or spreadsheets? Selling digital products could become an excellent source of passive income. Do you like teaching or entertaining people? Content creation might be your best opportunity. There isn't a single perfect method. The best one is the one you'll actually stick with. Remember, every successful online entrepreneur started exactly where you are today. No audience, no customers, no experience, just a decision to start. Your first sale won't change your life, but the skills you develop while earning that first sale absolutely can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start making money online. And if you're looking for affordable budget planners, bookkeeping templates, income trackers, and financial spreadsheets, visit my Esvea Accounting Etsy shop. Most templates are available for just 80 cents, making it easy to get started without spending a fortune. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.